And this is Ksenia. My application is called Board Together. Have you ever wanted to play board games but couldn't find enough players? Well, now you can log into Board Together, create an event, and wait for other players to join. So I have my user's authentication done by Device Gem. Let's go ahead and create an event. I'm already logged in. Let's say I want to play Betrayal. I want to have 4 more players. And I want to do it sometime in the future at, let's say, General Assembly. Event description. It will be fun. Yay. All right, I created this event. I can edit it if I want. I can comment on it. Let's see. Maybe I decided that I want only 3 players. Update this event. I can go back and see the list of all the events and see that this has been added to the upcoming events. Let's see, tomorrow Settlers of Catan. I can look at who created it, how many more players they need, and join the event. Now the event is full. Nobody else can join, but I can leave the event and then it goes back to 1. I can make a comment. Hello. Decide the comment is stupid and delete it. It asks me to confirm. Go OK. And that is the long and short of it. So let's go ahead and look at my code. Guess I'm just in general proud of being able to put together something that works in just 4 days and after only 2 weeks of doing Rails. Let's see. Let's go to my events controller. And see how I implemented my attendances. Actually, let's talk about how I sorted all these events into today, tomorrow, and upcoming. I created a helper method. I can find where I put it. Sorry guys. There are a lot of files. Helpers. Application helper. Great. Sorted days. So I create these 3 arrays. I sort through all of the events. It goes at today. If it's today, push it in the array called today. If it's tomorrow, and here I had to convert both of them to the same format because before I was comparing a date to a string, and those dates have to be in the same format, so there's to date time and then there's to date. And else if they're in the future, push them to the future array. And then since the method can only return one thing, I squish it all into one hex, I guess one hash, and get the information that way. And then in my index, I go if sorted days of today, so it's a hash element but also an array, and then go length. So if it's greater than 0, so there's something in there, there are events happening today, then I list them. I also say there are no events scheduled for today. All right. That is all. The one thing I wanted to implement was profiles, so the users can list the games that they own, a little bit about them, maybe add a picture, and they can see the events that they signed up to attend and the events they created. Unfortunately, I tried to do it by using has one association, which seems to make sense, but apparently it's a big no-no. Nobody uses it, and there's very little documentation for has one association. So I have a couple ideas about a workaround, how to still have profiles. I haven't implemented it yet, but I would hope to do so in the future. Okay, thank you for listening to me. Enjoy your popcorn.